Try so hard to disregard what is wrong with my life, but maybe wish I could die tonight. Strapped to what is on my mind, I have some things to leave behind. This isn't fair, will be mine. And we'll be running through the forest at a time. I get her heart and beat for all time. Hit the ground, come and listen to the mountain sound. This could be the night in which one was to take us to the stars. Elixirs of life can make us live forever young and make us live forever 21. Something forever with the best days of our lives. Someone is able to do nothing. Keep holding out your white fly with her hands. The business of something. Please tell me that there's something that can stop this life to live forever 21. Forever 21. And naturally today's glass a pretty face. I don't know what's going on, I don't really feel the same. I keep moving on, just moving on. My walls are crumbling, nothing is stronger. This guy's falling down on me. My heart is broken. Should I stop calling? Should I stop feeling what I feel? It's hard enough for me. One situation I see me. I hope you can believe. Wanna hold your hands for any